Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Signal from your mobile device. So, to do this, go to your App Store or Play Store and download the Signal app. And once you've downloaded it, open the app, then tap Continue. After that, you'll have to enable permissions, so simply enable it. And now, you'll have to enter your phone number to get started. So, choose your country code, and type in your phone number. And once you've entered your phone number, tap Next. And then it will send a verification code to your phone number. So, due to some error, I didn't receive a code, so I had it to call me instead. And if the code doesn't appear on your phone, you can simply tap on the option Call Me Instead, and it will give you a call and it will say the code for you, so you can enter the code. And once you've entered the code, enter your first name and last name. And once you've done that, tap Save. And now you'll have to create a PIN for your Signal account. So create whatever PIN you like, or if you want to create an alphanumeric PIN, you can tap the option and now you can create an alphanumeric PIN. But for now, I'll simply create a numeric PIN and tap Next. Then you'll have to confirm your PIN by typing it again. So simply re-enter it and tap Next. And there you have it. You have successfully signed up for Signal. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.